In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email ID with Hostinger seamlessly. We know that managing your email can be a bit daunting, especially when you want to update your email address without losing any important communication. So, let's dive right in and ensure you have a smooth transition. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the H panel. The H panel is the nerve center of your Hostinger account where you manage all your services. Once you're in, direct your attention to the Emails section. This is your go-to area for all things related to email, setting them up, organizing them, and in this case, altering your email ID. Within the Emails section, you will find an option to manage mailboxes. Click on this, and you'll see a list of all the mailboxes associated with your account. From here, you'll identify the mailbox where your changes are needed. Next to the specific mailbox you wish to alter, you'll see a small three-dot icon. Click on this icon to reveal additional options. One of these options is Manage Alias. Selecting this will allow you to manage and create email aliases easily. Now the exciting part, adding your new email alias. Suppose you want your email to read as Contact @ An alias lets you add that new front without missing out on any of your current setup. Type in your desired email alias and confirm the setup. With an alias added, any email sent to this new address will seamlessly arrive in the same mailbox, ensuring you don't miss any important messages or updates while the transition takes place. Here's a handy tip. Although you're now set up with a new email alias, recipients might still see your original sender address depending on their email client. It's a nuance worth noting, especially if you're using this for business communications where branding might be important. By using aliases, you maintain a single point of contact without having to overhaul your existing email setup or reconfigure your entire inbox, making it an ideal solution for both personal and professional use. If you need to create different fronts for different purposes, maybe one for customer inquiries and another for internal communication, aliases have you covered without multiplying your email management effort. Don't forget to test your new setup by sending a test email to your newly created alias to ensure everything flows smoothly into your existing mailbox. This tiny step can save you recovery headaches down the road and give you peace of mind knowing your account is correctly configured. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Hostinger email ID with minimal fuss using the alias feature. It's a straightforward way to stay professional and organized. Thanks for following along, and until next time, ensure your digital communication is as seamless as possible.